Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code so the runtime and editor match. Once done, install the C# extension for language features. Create a new console project with .NET New Console and My App, then open that folder in VS Code. This first step gives you project files and a launch configuration. Make sure Omni Sharp activates. Doing this immediately avoids IDE surprises and ensures IntelliSense. Build tasks and a debug profile are present when you proceed. Next, you write code and iterate. Open program. CS and implement logic using top-level statements or a main method, adding using directives as needed so types resolve. Build with .NET Build to catch compile errors, then use the Problems panel to jump to issues and correct them. For runtime inspection, set breakpoints and press F5 to start debugging. This lets you inspect variables and step through code. Once you see expected output, make sure to save and run tests or sample inputs to validate behavior. Finally, you package and resolve issues. Publish with .NET Publish C Release O. /publish when ready for deployment and verify the output runs on the target. If something goes wrong, check the Omni Sharp and integrated terminal logs for SDK version mismatches or path problems, because those are common blockers. If dependencies fail, run .NET Restore and restart Omni Sharp, clearing the VS Code workspace cache or reinstalling the C# extension often fixes stubborn language server errors. This single tip saves a lot of time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.